Okay, so today we're going to make, what are we making, Devin?
A pineapple upside down cake.
All right, a pineapple upside down cake. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients. I actually use this super moist yellow food cake. You can use any yellow cake you'd like. And I'm going to show you a couple of our secret ingredients, which is very simple and easy to make. We love fruit, we love cake, we love pie, so we're going to make a pineapple upside down cake for you today. Say, let's do it.
Got it.
All right. One of my favorite parts about making a pineapple upside down cake is, of course, the loads of really great unsalted butter along with brown sugar that we use on the bottom to give it a really caramel colored, followed by layering all of the pineapples and the cherries. As you can see, Devin really had a fun time. I think this is his favorite part of the cake. Next, we actually broke all of our eggs. He had fun mixing them, followed by putting the cake together. Another fun secret ingredient is adding the pineapple juice inside. It is really crispy and ready to go. So what we're looking for is for these sides to come right off because it will slide off. And remember, I put a ton of butter underneath and on the side to make sure this wouldn't stick. This is a one-of-a-kind pan, so I'm really happy about that too. This is coming up easily, so once this cools down a bit, I'll get one of my dish rags. I'll place this on top and just do a simple flip over so that we can see the pineapples and cherries. So let's stay tuned for the final product. All right, so now it's time to flip our cake. All right, let's see how this came out. Let's see, DJ. Here's the moment we've been waiting on. Look, Devin.
What?
Look.
Upside down?
Yes, upside down. How do you feel?
Wait, I want to eat.
You want to eat some?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is our pineapple upside down cake. It looked like some of the cherries kind of skated out of place, but of course using lots of butter, brown sugar, all on the sides. You can see we have pineapple.
You can't see on the side.
Look, the sides. You have pineapple on the side too. It came out great. So now we're going to call some friends and have them to come over and pick up some pineapple upside down cake. All right, so how do you feel, Devin?
Great.
You feel great? All right, what do you say?
White, forward, and
Look up at Daddy.
White, forward, and shift. White, forward, and shift.